You and your family will love this pull-apart pizza bread. It's easy to make and it's delicious. Oh, yeah. Homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. These are your ingredients. So let's get started. Pour half a cup of butter and your seasoning into a bowl and give it a good mix. Slice up 2 pounds of pizza dough with a pair of scissors, which is totally fun because it sticks in the end anyway. Add about a cup of pepperoni, one more slice, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and mix that all together. As you can see, the dough is sticking, so just work with it. Now put your dough into a 9-inch springform pan. Make a hole in the center. And now put your marinara dish in the center, upside down. Shape it up a little bit, place it on a cookie sheet, and into the oven at 425 for 20 minutes. Now it's out of the oven, separate it from the springform pan, flip over your marinara dish, add some marinara sauce, pull apart some of your freshly made pizza bread, dip it in marinara, and enjoy.